A well-designed spacious home is one that is rich with deep hues and ultra-dramatic. Ensuring the visual of the house is important, so is the fragrance and sound at home. Striking a balance and creating a comfortable, soothing home includes having smart elements such as speakers and projectors that are hidden well in the entire home. Alfresco dining setup at the outdoor balcony enhances and improves mood in its beautiful atmosphere. In the common space where family bond and get together, is a space with a long and panoramic scenic view. The horizon walkway maximizes the home's view, and flows well in the space with an unobstructed view. This space is designed for comfort for the homeowner, and family enjoying precious time together. A private sanctuary that has a tranquil and soothing atmosphere. The engineered wood flooring patterns balance the depth of this simple yet elegant designed bedroom.